guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Halloween would you rather tag, I guess you can say. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm not real big on Halloween like that, but a tag ain't gonna hurt nobody, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just do this tag for y'all. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and give me video suggestions so you don't miss an upload from me. No, that doesn't make sense. So question number 1: would you rather walk through a graveyard at midnight or spend the night in a spooky abandoned house? I will walk through a graveyard at midnight because I'm not staying in no house for I'm not staying in no abandoned house. I'm not spending the night in no abandoned house. I'm not doing none of that. So I will walk through the graveyard at midnight. Yeah, but I might stay in the house if I'm lit or something. I might stay in there. I don't know. Question number 2: dunk for apples or carve a jack-o'-lantern? Dunk for apples. Does that mean dunk your head in some water to get some apples? With your mouth? Is that what that is? I never did that before, but I tried that. But I'd rather carve a jack-o'-lantern. Yeah, I'd rather carve a jack-o'-lantern. But I would probably like to do the dunk in my face in some apples. Whatever the hell. Dunk for apples, because I never did it before. Read a spooky story or see a spooky movie. See a spooky movie, because honestly I don't like to read, and I'm probably not gonna read a spooky book, just being honest with you. Have a costume that is really amazing but also very uncomfortable, or have a costume that's not anything all that special but is comfortable to wear. Have something that's not all the way up to par but it's comfortable to wear, because your girl likes to be comfortable. I can't be uncomfortable. No, I'd rather have something that, because that's what I'm saying, you can be creative and be comfortable and make up a good costume and be comfortable. So, and it might not look all that good. It might not look that good, but I'll make it look good when it's on me. You feel? Have a homemade costume or have a store-bought costume? Like I just said, I'd probably have a homemade costume because you can be creative. I'd rather have a homemade costume and figure some shit out on my own than to go buy one and then possibly be matching somebody. But I don't really care about Halloween like that anyways. So yeah, I would rather have a homemade costume. Get 20 of your favorite treats on Halloween, or get 50 that are not your favorite on Halloween. Get 20 of my favorite treats on Halloween, because if it's not my favorite, then more than likely I'm not gonna eat it. That's just like if you give me 50 things of them dots candy, I'm not gonna eat that because I don't like those. But if you give me 20 Starbursts, I will eat them. What the hell is wrong with me, bro? Or 20 packs of Starburst, I will eat them. Anyways, would you rather go trick-or-treating with a group of friends or get paid $20 to take a little kid trick-or-treating? Get paid to take a child trick-or-treating. I will get paid to take a child trick-or-treating, but it's probably gonna have to be more than $20 because look, if y'all want me to take y'all kids trick-or-treating, yeah, everybody can throw me $20. That'll be a good come up real quick. So yeah, I'll take your kids trick-or-treating for $20 a piece. Each child, $20. That's my trick-or-treating right there. When I come pick your child up, you drop $20 in my basket, and I'll be good. That's my trick-or-treating right there. Would you rather go to a really great Halloween party where you did not know anyone, or go to a kind of lame Halloween party where you knew almost everyone there? Well, I'd probably go to a lame one, because if you're around people you know, it's more than likely not going to be lame. Unless you just got some lame friends. But I would rather go to a lame one with people that I know. And I know everybody, because it's still going to be turned if you know everybody. It ain't going to be lame. Ain't no way it's going to be lame if you're there with a lot of people you know. And y'all all turned up together. Because what I'm going to look like is going to where I don't know nobody. Would you rather have to sleep in a coffin or have to live in a giant pumpkin? I would rather live in a giant pumpkin. Live in a giant pumpkin. Because I'm not gonna go to sleep in no coffin. Put him in a coffin. No, I'm not gonna sleep in no coffin. Would you rather have to eat 6 fish eyeballs or have to eat a small frog? Ooh, that's just making my flesh crawl thinking about that. Ooh. I don't know. I don't know about that one. Probably eat a, oh my gosh, no, I don't know. I can't answer that question. Cause I'm just thinking about, okay, the 6 fish eyeballs, I could eat them. Them small, I think. It depends on what kind. That's what I'm saying. It depends on what kind of fish eyeballs I'm eating. I was probably thinking I could chew them up real fast and get it down. But then it's just like what's inside the eyeballs is what it's like. And then a small frog is like because what's inside the frog. So I don't know. Would you rather help to design and make a haunted house, or go to a haunted house that someone else created? That's so weird that this question came up, because me and my sister and my little cousin was just watching something on TV about people making haunted houses and shit. I think I would rather help design one, so I could see, you know what I'm saying? Like, so you can be back there and see how shit work, see like where they gonna come from, where they gonna be sending to scare people and stuff. So I'd probably rather design one. Help design. Would I rather trick or treat in a neighborhood or trick or treat at the mall? At a mall. How you trick or treat at a mall? I don't know, but I probably would. I don't know how you do it, but I probably would rather do that. At the mall. Shit, what we trick or treat for? Let me get a shopping bag, and y'all just start throwing free shit in my bag. That's trick or treating right there at the mall. I can give me some new shoes, give me some free shoes, give me some free clothes, free everything. Just drop it in my bag, I'll take it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'd probably go trick-or-treating at the mall. Even if it is like candy and stuff, like for real. Even if it is like candy and stuff, like they give it at the mall, I probably still would go to the mall. Because I ain't never did that before. Ugh. Would you rather eat all your Halloween candy or trade Halloween candy for $10? Bro, trade the candy for $10. Or trade your Halloween candy for $10. Yes. Fuck the candy. I don't care about the candy. I don't eat candy like that. I will trade. You want some candy? Give me the $10. I will trade it. And the last question. Would you rather dress up as a devil or dress up as an angel? As an angel. Because that's what I am. I am her. I am the angel. Yeah. An angel. Alright, that's all those questions on this. I wish I had like I wish my backdrop was different. I wish I had like a black backdrop or an orange backdrop just to get the Halloween festives. You know, just like this has like some Halloween color or something, but we working with the sparkly pink, and that's alright. But yeah. Anyways, that's the end of all the questions. If you like this video, if you like me doing these type of videos, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me, give me more videos like this to do, and I will do them. Tell me everything you want to see. Tell me, you know what I'm saying? Tell me stuff so I can do them and I can apply them and give it to y'all like you want it. So yeah, do all those things, and yeah, I think that's about it. I don't got nothing else to say. Do I, Spirit? I don't got nothing else to say. So yeah, I guess I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace out. Cause we in this thing like what?